Program hoteli ya Masanyo nango original Benja nagamira ku lwaliro tuli wano ku album listening party ya Karole Kasita nga wenjogerera nga ndine Africa's #1 Eddy Kenzo Ayogedde tumubuuzeko wana atubulire kiri kityo ku lwaliro no mukola kusanza atya agamba atya muganda we.
Yeah, clear bro, how are you doing?
Ndi clear Eddy ranga hoteli voli ku Baba TV soko weze ku bafani bo.
Yeah man, mugamba mutya baganda bange. Mkobachi. Mzira wa kalamu.
Eddy olwaliro tuli ku listeners party ya album ya Karole Kasita era nga butele tuliddeko nga gwo muko bayimbi abali ku album eno soko tubulire kiri kitya album eno so follow imbale mwakola ne Kalo tunyonyoleko ku tune eyo so far.
Yeah, to good demo. It's a very beautiful one. It's a beautiful piece.
Yeah, man.
And it's on the album. So njagala abantu bagende baluwulire.
Yeah, man.
Batubulire what do they think? Yeah.
Orimba lunani yalu producing Eddy?
Atin
yalumola. Bako bali special bowereza Karole Kasita kwa
one love my sister, I love you man. We are one. Keep going, never stop. I believe in you, I trust in you. You are such a good girl, great artist. Big up on yourself. We are here for you.
Yeah, man.
You know what I'm saying?
Muganda nge tugenda mu festival. Bako boleko obubaka bolekira bafani bo.
Yeah, abachali bange mwena tugenda mu festival. Naku zo mwezi 12 November, Eddy Kenzo Festival. I have to see you there, please. I'll be so happy to see you there. Buli omu nawe kwise ne bachali bo bonna na buli muntu yena keep telling everyone it's for us, it's our generation. So we have to do great things together, you know what I mean? So that tubyogerako eyo tuli batukuze tuge mwana ojukira nga nkuyiseko kuva mu bango mpiseko eyo. So please let us do this job all together to make sure tukimakinga tulaga abantu nti abantu bagala ensi yaabwe. Yeah man, one love.